While most Americans were ending their day on January 16th, 8 AH-64 Apache multi-role combat helicopters were just starting theirs, unleashing a deadly, blinding pre-dawn barrage of Hellfire missiles, 70mm rockets, and 30mm rounds on Iraqi early warning radar systems, paving the way for the relentless aerial air war that followed. The attack by the Apaches, shown here from their initial target identification range of 12 kilometers, and as they moved to within 4 kilometers of Iraqi targets, marked the first shots fired in Operation Desert Storm, one of several Apache firsts during the Middle East conflict. Along with being trusted to perform the first combat mission of the war, Apaches also were the first combat aviation units to arrive in Saudi Arabia for Operation Desert Shield, the first attack helicopters to take prisoners without ground troops present, capturing more than 500 Iraqi soldiers, the first in readiness, and the only coalition aircraft able to attack enemy targets February 25th and 26th, while other aircraft were grounded because of weather restrictions. The list of firsts goes on, and throughout the conflict, the Apache continued to maintain outstanding readiness rates, the highest of any helicopter in the combat arena. Television, radio, and print news reports illustrated how the Apache has enhanced its reputation as a reliable, maintainable, and lethal high-technology weapons system, one that performed as promised during the war in the Gulf.